Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Madam Wahida binti Tumijan. My name is Nasrien binti Muhammad DRUS. I am from NSR2436C. Okay, today me and my group will present about on how to analyze statistic using GMV software. Our group project need to compare the emotional intelligence factors between marital status of the participants. So this is the data that we collect from the questionnaire that we distribute before. So there are 30 questions related to traits emotional intelligence, and there were 55 respondents answered our questionnaire. After that, we move to the next step, which is general software. We click the three bar on the left top of the screen and we choose open. After that, browse the file that been saved and ensure all the variables have been transferred from Excel format to GMOV data. After the data appear, we must check the data bar to ensure that data variables are all in integer type and the measurement must be in the correct measurement. The first one is the range, gender. We have male and female, and marital status. We have single, divorced, and married. And can you? The question is, yes. The answer is between yes or no.
So we need to change the selected question using transform. So we need to click on the transform section and click on the selected question, which are question 2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 22, 25, 26, and last one is 28. Okay, so press the using transform section and select create new transform. Click the add record condition section and click operators and select double equal. Okay, and on the left side enter the scoring we want to produce, and while on the right side enter the scoring we want to change. So do this repeatedly. So
in the factor section, click the empty column section. Then we need to double click and click new computed variables. And then label according to the factors that we prepared. First is well-being, sum. And then click the fx function section and then double click the sums. Choose the question that related to well-being factor. Enter the question under the factor based on the question that has been given. So that's the process for well-being sum. Then we can proceed with the same step for other factors for self-control, emotionality, sociability, and global traits. So this is all the sum factors after completing the transform section.
Then we move to the next step, which is after completing the sum part, we move to the descriptive part. We need to analyze the descriptive statistic using GMLV for this variable, which are all demographic data and total mood disturbance sum. We start by click the exploration section and click the descriptive section. Click age, gender, marital status, and the question in the variables section. then click frequency tables. In this section, we need to ensure that no missing or data error in our data based on the table.
Next, we need to check the percentage of each part of the demographic profile. So this is the part of the demographic profile that we need to check. And then, to check whether this data is normal or not, click the 5 variables and enter them in the variables section. Then enter the Marshall status section in the split by section. Put the Marshall split by and then check each part of the 5 variables. And then click the Shapiro-Wilk to check the p-value. The Shapiro-Wilk p-value shows that all 5 variables are below 0.05. Shown that data is not normal because Shapiro-Wilk p-values are less than 0.05. Then we will click the histogram and QQ plot. Histogram shows that pattern is not normal, but if we look at the QQ plot, the pattern for one group is only normal and the other are not normal. So that's why we assume that this data is non-normal, because that assumption of one-way ANOVA mentioned that all it should be equal between independent variables.
Since the data shows not normal based on Shapiro-Wilk histogram and QQ plot, we decided to analyze the hypothesis testing using Kruskal-Wallis as an alternative beside one-way ANOVA. The result of Kruskal-Wallis has shown that p-value of each factor is more than alpha, which is 0.05, so fail to reject null hypothesis. Last but not least, we conclude that there is no significant difference between marital status and emotional intelligence factors. So marital status does not affect factors of emotional intelligence. So that's all from us. Thank you.